back
Again.
And I want to get my roots a little bit lighter and a little bit of a pink tone in my hair. And
the total color you want a bit lighter.
Yeah, and total color a bit lighter again.
Yeah, and a pink.
And a little bit pink tone in it, and I want to get my back shave.
Yeah, Nape-shave.
Nape-shave. Again, and with a new tattoo.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, you turn to show them how wonderful your hair still is, because we did a lot with your hair. And some people tell about the difference in colors, but you came from dark brown coloring.
Yes, it's more natural to have more colors in your hair. So.
Yeah, also, it looks nice. And it is in a wonderful condition, it's the most important thing.
Zal ik ook mijn ding laten zien?
Je ding laten zien.
Ja, mijn Nape-shave.
She shows her Nape-shave from about 3 weeks ago. So there will be something new in.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello friends on YouTube. My girlfriend in haircutting is back because it's now 3 weeks ago, but it's still wonderful to do her hair. So what we're going to do is to light up her hair, then give it a pink color. But before of that, I will first do the Nape-shave, because otherwise I cannot get it real good with a clipper, because the hair gets too clean and then the clipper don't work that good. So first I do the Nape-shave. Starting as always by putting on the protection. And the hair is really good of condition. Part it in 2 parts, one to the left, one to the right. Turning her so you can see what I'm going to do. And this is growing back after 3 weeks, so you see a Nape-shave gets out of the hair very quick. So that's why she's back now. So I put it a little bit closer and I'll start with the clipper. Take my large flat comb. Take my Keone clipper. Go against the hair fall. And when I'm going to light the color, I'll also take this with it, and afterwards I color it in. So the Nape-shave and the tattoo she gets will be colored in. Put my blade to the back, into the combing position. Onto the sharpest position. And I don't want to irritate the skin, so I don't force it on the skin. I can always take the little hairs with a small clipper. It's the second time she gets a Nape-shave, she never had it before. Ja, zeker. Dat lukt toch? Now this is my first lines. I clean this up and then I'm starting on the tattoo she's going to get. Wel fijn zo'n Newton dus. Dus die andere kleine autoscherpers.
Dat moet gelijk weer anders.
Ja, is anders lekker.
Nog meer babyhaartjes.
Kun je snel aan, kinderen. Mama weg, vindt het te big.
Nee. Ik zou even komen.
Kijken wat we hebben. Turn a little bit, otherwise I cannot see what I'm doing. And with my small Keone clipper, I start with making small lines.
Now you may ask yourself what's going to be. I don't tell you that.
It's our little secret.
Yeah. It is. Only use the tip of my clipper blade. I think this is enough to show you, otherwise I cannot work freely. So I stop the video here and then I'll go further with this. On this Keone clipper there's also a special blade to do tattoo lines. And this is what I have on now. Okay, now I did the Nape-shave. Don't show you now what it is. You see it afterwards. Put on the protection for coloring. We'll make her a color in the cool tones, but also I used a bit bleach in it, so it lights up a lot more than normal a color would do. This because we are working to transform colors in the future, and I know how much she loves to come to me, so and I love her for that because I'm a hairdresser and also have the fun of doing hair. And some models are wonderful to work with, and she is one of them, so that's why. So make first the color. I'm going to apply the lighting color. I put in a silver color. It's a 1021. On that color I used a bleach. I used the deconditioner. I show you a photo of it into the line of products and maybe into part of the video. I used 6% as 20 volume, but the most important thing is I used also to reduce the yellow tones, silver toner. So it's a mix of a lot of products to get rid of the golden tones and to light it a bit up to get into a soft pink color. Most important in the color is the deconditioner, because it holds the hair on a wonderful condition and it works. That's the most important thing. I can see it on my hair, I can see it on my customers. So now all the products on her hair. Don't put heat on it because you don't need to. Just want to light it up and take away the yellow tones of her hair. Because when we would go for pink, it would be very strange when there's still a yellow in the hairs. Close it a bit up. Control it in 50 minutes. And then afterwards I tell you how long it took to get her into a lighter shade. Okay, gonna rinse it out. We left it in for 25 minutes. So now I'm going to shampoo it and then apply a soft pink color on it. Now there's still a nice tone of color in her hair. It's also important because otherwise
she would be totally platinum blonde, and I don't want that, and she also not wants that. She wants just a light blonde and then shades in it. So that's what she's going to get. And the shade I'm going to apply on her hair is a shade of Keunen. I'll show you that in a second. And it's a nice pink color, it's very soft, transparent. And after this we can do a lot more with colors, so if she likes it she can have more colors in the future, and I know she loves the curtain.
Me? No.
It's my sister.
Ik zie jullie vooral de bovenkant. Zo, die heeft goed gepakt. Ja, natuurlijk het... ja.
I have to wash it because it reduces the chemical products in the hair. I don't need chemical products in this next step I'm going to take on her hair.
Ik ben benieuwd hoe roze een beetje bij hem staat.
Nou, roze.
Goed van je.
Rinsing out the shampoo. I don't need conditioner because the color I'm going to use as a toner is related to the conditioner. Now take some gloves because I have to put them on to protect my hands. This is the product I'm going to use of Keunen. It's a pink color, soft pink. I put it in a bowl, it makes it a lot easier to work. Just een beetje conditioner bij doen. Applying the product on the hairs. It smells ultra delicious.
Yes.
Ja, dat is een hele, dat geeft een hele zachte gloed. En heel zacht haar. But the wonderful thing of the lighter hairs in the neckline is that you can see the shapes real well. Je kan heel mooi zien waar mijn vorm is zitten. En die gaat... I set her on the chair again because now I'm going to apply colors on the Nape-shave, because now you see this of the Nape-shave. I'm not going to show you everything, just a part of it, because I want to get it interesting. But what I'm going to work with is a new product of Goldwell, a Loom Play. I will make certain photos of it so you can see where I work with. So that's where I fill it in. Take an ultra fine brush. I show you only a part, and then in the between I show you some small parts of that. Comes with in tubes with 120 milliliters. Just push it out of the tube. So ready to use. And now I'm gonna work this in. Now for me it's hard to stand on the side and show you this. So I stop working like this and stand on the side, because then I can work a lot nicer and cleaner on the lines, and I can see better.
But this is the way I color it in. Just pushing it out of the tube onto the brush and then color in the lines. So far coloring in this wonderful flower. So now I leave this for 50 minutes, so going for tea or something, and then I'm gonna style the total hair. Okay, we're ready with coloring of the Nape-shave. I shall show you that a bit. Come near in. Yeah. There's water dripping out of her hair. Now I'm going to dry hair. I know she likes straight hair, so.
Vorige keer met jou zin.
Yeah. Last time I made curl hair. Start blow drying with a large brush. Start at the neckline, building up to the upper levels. Pin the hairs aside. A large paddle brush of Ergo. And combing the hairs real straight. Okay, this is the new color and Nape-shave Marjolein. I thank you for being my model and for the nice playings tonight. Thank you for watching. She shows you her hair and then also the Nape-shave. Mag je deze rondje daarna, gaan we hier foto's van maken van hoe je haar nu is en dan doe je daarna van je neklijntje. Ja, allemaal gelijk even omhoog, dan doen we die even gelijk even mee. Echt super leuk, schat. Mooi, heel mooi. Neklijntje weer lekker?
Ja.
Fijn is dat, hè?
Oh ja. Oh, heerlijk.
and
Total color, a bit lighter again.
Yeah, and a pink.
And a little bit pink tone in it, and I want to get my back shave.
Yeah, Nape-shave.
Nape-shave again, and with a new tattoo.
Okay.
Yes.
We turn to show them how wonderful your hair still is, because we did a lot with your hair. And some people tell about the difference in colors, but you came from dark brown coloring.
Yes, it's more natural to have more colors in your hair. So.
Yeah, also, it looks nice. And it is in a wonderful condition, it's the most important thing.
Zal ik ook mijn ding laten zien?
Je ding laten zien.
Ja, mijn Nape-shave.
She shows her Nape-shave from about 3 weeks ago.